This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Delaware Electric Cooperative.
Well, before the break, we learned steps we can take to protect our home in a hurricane. But what if your power goes out?
When nasty storms strike, Delmarva's linemen get to work braving dangerous conditions to restore it. Delaware Electric Cooperative's Jeremy Tucker has more on what happens at the co-op during a power outage and how you can prepare for one.
Hurricane season is here. High winds and driving rain can cause major problems for our electrical system. Delaware Electric Cooperative has invested millions of dollars in upgrading the electrical system over the past few years, but hard work can't prevent every outage, especially during a hurricane.
Even though your cooperative has made millions of dollars of investments, it's no guarantee that your lights are going to stay on.
Once Delaware Electric Cooperative members call our headquarters in Greenwood, our linemen get to work. During major outages, this room, DEC's dispatch center, serves as our center for operations. Employees here direct crews to locations where power lines are damaged, and co-op officials say you need to be prepared for any storm.
You have to be ready for that, and you have to plan ahead of time.
Keep extra food handy as part of an emergency kit. You should also stay away from damaged electrical equipment.
And if you see something that's out of place, stay away from it. Wait for the professional to arrive on site and make sure that the area is safe for you and any emergency worker that might be around.
Andrew says if a hurricane approaches Delmarva, you can be sure linemen will work as fast as they can to turn your lights back on.
Now, if you are a co-op member and you experience a power outage, you're urged to call Delaware Electric Cooperative immediately. There's the number, 855-DEC-9090.
Now, beside the lights, another thing to worry about when the power goes out is the food in your refrigerator and freezer. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, if the power is out for less than 2 hours, your food is safe to eat. Just try and keep both your refrigerator and freezer doors closed. But if your power is out for more than 2 hours, a freezer that is half full will keep food safe for 24 hours. A full freezer will hold food safely for 48 hours. As for your refrigerator, experts recommend you pack dairy, meat, fish, eggs, and spoilable leftovers in a cooler. Make sure to use a food thermometer to check your food before you eat it. Throw away any food that has reached more than 40 degrees.
Well, of course, another way to keep that food fresh is with backup power. Up next, we learn about why installing a generator may be an option in keeping your refrigerator running and your lights on.
And later, we learn ways to keep our furry ones comfortable during the bad weather. What you need to know to get your pets prepared is still ahead. Delmarva Life will be right back.